This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the midday meal app. This essential tool is designed to streamline the management of the midday meal scheme, making your daily tasks much simpler. It offers a user-friendly interface that allows you to efficiently track and report crucial meal data. By utilizing this application, you can ensure greater transparency and improve the overall efficiency of meal distribution and record keeping. Let's dive in and discover how this app can benefit you. The Midday Meal app comes packed with several key features designed to make your work easier. You can effortlessly perform daily meal entries and accurately track student attendance, ensuring precise records. Furthermore, the app facilitates efficient inventory management for all your food supplies, helping you keep track of stock levels. It also allows you to generate comprehensive reports on meal consumption and current stock, providing valuable insights for better planning and resource allocation. Let's walk through the basic steps to use the app effectively. First, securely log in using your unique designated credentials. Once inside, navigate to the daily entry section, where you can easily record the meals served and track student attendance for the day. Remember to update your stock information regularly within the inventory module. This ensures that your records are always accurate and up to date, helping you manage supplies efficiently and without any hassle. Using the Midday Meal app offers numerous benefits. It ensures accurate and transparent record keeping, which is vital for accountability. This tool also significantly aids in efficient resource allocation and planning for future meals, helping you manage your budget and supplies effectively. For optimal performance and reliable reporting, always remember to regularly update the app to its latest version and diligently ensure the accuracy of all data entered. This will maximize its utility for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.